Something you have to know about the assignment sale as a seller. What is assignment sale? When a seller sells their interest in a property before they take possession. In other words, it is flipping the contract from the end builder to a new buyer. Let's say you walk into the builder's sale office to purchase a $500,000 pre-construction unit. You signed the contract, but you haven't actually purchased property. You've actually secured the rights and obligations associated with that asset and purchase agreement. There's actually no property being sold, no ownership is actually being transferred until the closing date. A couple of assumptions, the first being assignment fee. So when you buy a pre-construction unit, oftentimes the builder will charge you a fee in order to resell it to someone else prior to closing. That would be $5,000 to $10,000 or even 1% of original purchase price. In assignment sale, you're assigning the rights and obligations with that contract to a new buyer who's going to step in and actually close the transaction. Let's say after 3 years you sign that contract, you would like to sell this contract to the new buyer. As what you referring assignment sale, we would like to assign it at the price of $700,000. Let's say you put down 20% deposit base on $500,000 original purchase price. On paper you make $200,000. Pretty good, right? It depends. Let us look at what cost and tax will be involved. First fee, assignment fee. In general, unless there is an incentive or promotion-free assignment when you purchase a pre-construction unit, otherwise there is a builder consent fee involved. Depends on the builder. Most builder will charge $5,000 to $8,000 or even 1% of the purchase price for builder consent fee. Also, there will be builder's admiration fees such as builder's lawyer fee and disbursement fee like courier or photocopy fees. Second fee, sales tax. Let's say you go out to buy any type of retail good, whether it's clothing, electronics or furniture, etc. You are going to pay sales tax, which is, in Ontario, 13% HST. Similarly with pre-construction unit, there's 13% HST built in the purchase price that you are paying. So when you're doing an assignment sale, you're going to be subject to paying HST such as 13% on your original deposit and 13% on your profit. So based on the above example, you bought a pre-construction unit 3 years ago at $500,000. You put down 20% deposit, which is $100,000. Now, you have a buyer willing to pay $700,000 to buy your assignment, which means you make $200,000 profit on paper. Now let's see that is the cost and HST involved on it. Original purchase price, $500,000. Assignment price, $700,000. So profit, $200,000. Cost. Builder consent fee, $5,000. Builder's lawyer fee and disbursement, $3,000. HST on deposit, $13,000. HST on profit, $26,000. Cost for HST and assignment fee, $47,000. Plus realtor fee, let's say 4.5%, $31,500. Plus also lawyer fee, close this transaction, $1,500. So total cost before tax, $80,000. Total profit before tax, $120,000. Unless you can prove to the CRA that you buy it for your own use, because of job transfer or change of school or other valid reason, then, in the best scenario, you will tax it as capital gain, which subject to 50% tax. Otherwise, the CRA will treat it as business transaction, and you will tax 100% and add it into your personal tax for that year. Depends on your tax level, you may have to pay at least provincial tax in Ontario $40,000, federal income tax $22,060, Final net profit $57,940. So if you keep the unit and close it, then you may be taxed on capital gain, which is half of the $200,000 and minus all the cost, lawyer fee, agency fee, but not land transfer tax. Assume the above cost. Realtor fee, let's say 4.5%, $31,500. Lawyer fee to close builder transaction, $2,500. Mortgage arrangement fee, discharge, $1,000. Lawyer fee to close the final sale, $2,500. Total expense, $37,500. Gross profit after expense, $162,000. Half of it taxable, capital gain, $81,000. Base on $81,000 income estimate. Provincial tax $16,558. Federal tax $13,960.16. Total tax $30,518.15. So total profit after tax and expense, $131,481.85. There are approximate $73,541.85 different if you sell it as capital gain on investment. All number and taxes here are estimated. Please refer to CRA website.